Christina here. I'm here in our gardening nook and I'm so excited I get to start my zinnia, marigold, and celosia seeds today, and I will also be potting up some other plants like the black-eyed Susans, chamomile, and probably some more of the snapdragons as well. And yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the day indoors, starting my seeds, and take you along on the process. All right, let's go. So the first seeds I'm gonna start are gonna be marigolds, a couple different varieties. Marigold Eskimo, I've never done these before, so it'll be a nice experiment. And French Dwarf Double Mix, and I did these last year and they turned out well. And these seeds are from the dollar store. And I'm going to be doing celosia, 2 different varieties. This one is Coral Reef from Floret Farms, and this one is Spun Sugar. And usually when I start off, I make a tag for each of them because when the seeds start to sprout, it's really hard to be able to distinguish what exactly you planted. So it just keeps it organized. And yeah, I'm going to start by writing the dates and the name. Next, I'm going to use seed starting soil, and I'm going to get it nice and moist, not too wet. And just mix it with water. And then I'm going to start to fill the seed trays. And now I'm going to start planting the seeds, starting with the marigolds. And then just making sure that I'm putting this where the start of the seeds are going to be. So this variety, I will be planting 12 of them. So I'm going to make a little indentation and then put them in. One thing about celosia seeds is that they're super tiny, so you don't really want to bury them, so you kind of just sprinkle them on top. They're tiny like dust. A little bigger than snapdragon seeds and poppy seeds, but they're still pretty tiny. And now I'm going to cover the seeds with vermiculite. I'm going to get them ready to go on the heating mat. So, basically creating a little greenhouse. Putting a lid on, trap the moisture, and I'm going to put it on the heating mats. This year I'll be planting 13 different varieties of zinnias. They're my favorite flower, and I will be planting a ton of the Floret original zinnias. I planted them last year and they were beautiful, and I can't wait to do it again.
One week later.
Hey guys, so it's been a week later since I started these seeds, and after a few days about 50% of them started to sprout. At that point I took the dome lid off of them and turned off the heating mats, and then just made sure that the growing lights were about 2 inches from where they were, and then a bunch started to sprout after that, and this is what we have. And in about 4 weeks, these will be transplanted outside. We just have to wait until our last frost date. So hopefully that's around Easter time, April 20th. It may go into May. We'll see. These plants need it to be hot outside, so it really depends on the weather. But yeah, here's the progress. They're looking good.